Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to clear your video search history on the Amazon Prime Video app. If you want to keep your searches private or just want to clean things up, this quick guide is for you. So let's get started. Open the Prime Video app on your smart device and make sure you're logged into your account. By opening the Prime Video app on the home page in the lower right corner of the screen, you can see your profile, which you'll click on. Then on the next page in the upper right corner of the screen, look for the settings option in the form of a gear and then click on it. By clicking on the settings option, a new page will open where you'll scroll down to the Clear Video Search History option in the drop-down menu and click on it. After you clear your search history, the app will notify you that your search history has been successfully deleted. You're all set. And that's it. You have successfully cleared your video search history in the Amazon Prime Video app. It's an easy way to protect your privacy or just start over. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.